Hi, I'm Kathy the Crafty Chica, and I want to introduce you to the Fiskars Precision Hand Drill. I love this thing. I have been using it in my studio for years. You don't need to plug it in, and it works perfectly. It comes with 4 different bits, but you can buy extra bits. And it's just a simple crank like this. Here's what I'm using it for today. These are earrings that I made, and I decided I want to have little dangling gems off of them. So I put these on a padded surface, put some low-tack masking tape, and simply use the hand drill. Look, it does not take much effort at all. High quality product. Fiskars, I love all Fiskars products. Pull off the tape, and this is what my earrings look like now. It is the Fiskars Precision Hand Drill, and you will love it.